Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Call of Duty Warzone for free on your computer. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So there's a lot of ways how you can download it, but for today I'm going to show you how you can do this on Steam. So on Steam you want to go at the top and click on Store. You will be redirected to this page. After that, you can either write down Call of Duty or you can write down Warzone. And at the top, you will see Call of Duty Warzone and it should be free. Click on it. And now you will see this option. As you can see, I already have it in my Steam library. What you can do is go ahead and play the game or add it to your library. Once it will be on your library, you can go ahead and click right there. And in order to download it, you will need to click play or install. So you will see install option. You're going to choose where you want to go ahead and add it. Then click install and it will start downloading. So it will take a lot of time because it has 88 gigabytes. But after you will download it and open it up, you will be able to choose Warzone option. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how it works. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.